talk a little bit about the flexibility that we have with the Cres Cor Quick-Therm Cook and Hold Convection Oven, and we're going to do a little bit of scratch cooking here. So what we're going to do is we're going to prepare a little bit of roasted vegetables and then a little teriyaki wild cod that we have. And we're going to use the AquaTemp system here. We're going to beef up the humidity a little bit, and that's going to temper some of the browning because we've got a lot of sugar in this sauce. And what we want to do is really use that steam in order to cook the fish beautifully, but also to not get that excessive browning where we're going to have some of those bitter flavors. And then we're going to use the steam here to get to the into the middle of the vegetables, but we're still going to really have that vibrant color and that beautiful texture. As you can tell, our unit is preheated and we are ready to load, so let's go ahead and load. As you can see again, we're going to have convection through every single level, so it does not matter which level we put the product on. We have up to 6 fans in there. From here, we're going to close the door, push the start button, and we're going to be off to the races. All right, the unit has gone into a hold here, and we've gone in for approximately 12 minutes, so let's see where we're at. First, we're going to pull out our cod. So you can see here that we've got a beautiful, look at the steam coming off that cod there. And then we had a very sugary teriyaki sauce on here. We have not burnt anything, and that's part of the reason why we use so much humidity on that, so we can get the cook that we want, but not necessarily overdone. So we can take this cod, and you can see it's flaking off beautifully into pieces here. Which just means that we're getting a beautiful cook on there. All right, now you can see we're still in hold mode here at 45% humidity with our AquaTemps. And when we go into hold mode with the Cres Cor unit, we're actually going to go down into 2 fans instead of the 6, so we can make sure that we're not browning anymore, but keeping up the warmth here. And you can see we got a beautiful roast on our vegetables. Beautiful roast. But we've kept a lot of the nutrients involved inside the product because of the addition of some steam.